Can I pull my hair? Fine. This can move it back. Both attached.
One of the challenges, I think, of growing your own food, especially meat, but honestly anything, is making it accessible to cook. So I'm bringing this box of potatoes in to easy reach. If it's easy to get to, we're much more likely to work it into everyday meals. Lunch. The only way I know for sure to make your kids eat healthy is to only put healthy food in front of them. Now for the chainsaw sharpening hack I've been wanting to try for a long time. Cordless drill and a chain file. Some of you chainsaw sharpening experts and purists will probably be horrified at this. But this chain is pretty beat up, and we're gonna give it a try here. High speed. Well, it cuts really fast. I've been cutting quite a bit of firewood. I'm behind as usual on my winter firewood supply. And I have a lot more up in the edge of the woods and then on the ground that I need to cut. I'm gonna go ahead and try this saw out. I'll try it out on something really hard. I've got these locust fence posts. I'm just gonna knock off the end of one of them. I'm pretty happy with that, considering how tough that locust wood is. Now I've got to knock down some of these tulip poplar posts that are too old for anything but easy firewood. I don't know if you caught that. What I said is I'm cutting up this tulip poplar. There's some tulip poplar poles lying on there.
Most beautiful day.
It is beautiful.
I mean, something about the last of the leaves is really gorgeous. And please don't get in the car.
You match this tree right here. You're wearing your fall colors.
What is that?
I don't have any treats. They think I have treats. I have pork. I don't have treats.
Pork?
I know, isn't that funny? But I have a friend who just gave me a whole bunch of pork. They gave me sausage and pork belly.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah. And I got you this for your head.
What is that?
Thanks. For my head.
Did y'all miss me? You must have missed me.
I don't know. It doesn't really fit. I don't think it really fits.
Night tonight.
To filter out the broth. It's a heavy duty one.
This is like 100 pounds of pork.
Dad, you carry me.
Here.
Help.
Sure, I'll carry you too, baby. All right, dude, jump down. That looks good.
5:30. We should have started a long time ago. We're just having some beans cooked with our pork bones and some kale salad. Simple, simple. We're about to have game night.
Ooh, that's fun. We should do this on Sunday instead of movie night sometimes.
What are we doing, guys?
We're having game night.
Family game.
We're having game night.
Daddy has a dude.
This is a fun game already.
I can see it. I know what mine is now.
Okay.
On your mark,
My
get set, go.
Is it a shot?
A shovel?
How did you guess both
How
of
did
yours
you guess a shovel?
the first time?
No, he looked at. I saw him look at.
I know.
He took mine.
It's the third round of this. I don't know what it is. It's a tropical
what
fruit.
that
It
one
starts with P. We don't buy it very often. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
When I buy it, you like it, but I don't buy it very often. It's not pomegranate. It's not a papaya. It's none of the things that start with P that I know about. Apparently, it's very
Start
obvious.
asking things like it.
Okay. Do we put it in desserts?
No.
Do we buy it in the summer?
Sometimes.
Yeah. Sometimes.
I've already
Did we say
guessed
P
that.
or B?
I guess
Starts with a B.
It does not. It starts with a P.
This is Brianna's fourth round trying to guess what this is. Brianna, can you do it? Are you going to let us
No,
all
this
down?
is a new one.
I don't know what it is.
It has something in common with pears.
Pineapple! Pineapples do not grow on trees. Just to set the record, they told me pineapples grow on trees. Pineapples do not grow on trees. I'm about to have a little homeschool lesson. That is not a tree. That is a bush.
That's a tree. If you live where pineapples grow, please tell us. Are they trees or bushes?
See, look.
We need your help.
We have to show this.
Please leave a comment on the video. We know you're out there.
It's not a tree.
That's a tree. It's just a short tree.
It's not a tree.
That's a young tree.
That's a dwarf pineapple tree, by the way.
That is how they all look. All of them. This is not a tree. This is why I didn't know what it was.
It's been another great day on the homestead.